time of the year for us because one of the things I look forward to and enjoy, part of my job is selecting and recognizing our classified employee of the year. And it's a difficult task, and especially in this year that has been so challenging for all of us. The only reason we have been able to go into lockdown, come back, transition to in-person learning is because every single person in this organization has brought their very best and stepped up and sometimes reimagine what your job looks like in a pandemic, and just rallied together to do what we can for our families and for our kids. So when we're looking at this Employee of the Year, obviously the starting point is, are they just an excellent employee, someone that just gets up every morning, brings their very best to their job, expert in what they do. But more importantly, really what starts to elevate people is, do they do that for the people around them, right? Not only bringing your very best, but that inspiring all those people around you and that team effort and doing that on a day in and daily basis. So I am just pleased to be with you this morning and to be able to recognize someone that just embodies all of that. And so our classified employee of the year is Rudy Vergara. Congratulations.
I know, when was it, a year and a half ago, you applied for the position of advance when Dave retired.
Right.
Senior, and didn't work out with the scheduling. But since then, what I've heard from Tony and from Melinda is just on a regular basis what a great job you've been doing for the department and for the district. And it's like when you're already working for a company and you apply for a position, it's like we already know you. You're interviewing every day that you're on the job. And that's what really proved to us that you care about the work you do and you care about our students and our staff. And with the pandemic, and you guys have all done an amazing job, like David said, and we are all so grateful for everything you've all done. But Rudy has really shined as part of this amazing team. And I think at one point Tony finally said to me, it's like, we can't not give Rudy this new position. And so you've really proven to us your worth and your value, and we appreciate everything that you've done. So from everyone at the district, thank you and congratulations.
Thank you guys.
I just want to say, echo the same thing, but each and every one of you also, you guys have been doing a tremendous job this whole past year. You guys are here when nobody else is here, jumping on all the stuff that we had to do to get open and ready for school. When the kids came back, you guys were awesome rock stars. I mean, I just can't thank you guys enough for all the hard work you do. And Rudy, thank you for helping us as well, and pulling us through together as a team and keeping good spirits the whole time. And like Dirk said, many times attitudes can change and go a different route if they don't get a position, but that was not your case, which shows good character, and it's a highly valuable quality that we like. And we're just happy that we can recognize this and show our appreciation district-wide, just how valuable you are to the team.
You guys really caught me by surprise. We weren't expecting that.
It worked.
But appreciated the recognition and count on me to keep doing, giving it that full effort, day in, day out. It takes a good team, so it's not just me. It's all a great part of the team. Again, thank you.
Thank you, Rudy. You know what's going to happen. You have to.
You embody the definition of the Employee of the Year. Throughout the district, every single day you've been consistent with your work ethic and being supportive to literally everybody, looking out, taking care and leading them, especially like with the Camino Grove project. And doing that, even our outside vendors were surprised that we were doing this in-house. They've never heard of that. So I just look forward to each day working continuously with you all, and congratulations.
Thank you.